2009 Toyota Tacoma 4-doors extended cab. This vehicle features the following equipment: 4-speed automatic with overdrive, 2.7 Li4S MPI DOHC, RWD 3.583 axle ratio, 15x6J plus 45 style steel disc wheels, bucket seats, Zest Zig cloth seat trim, AM/FM CDW 6 speakers, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, front center armrest, tachometer, anti-lock brake system brakes, AM/FM radio, air conditioning, anti-whiplash front head restraints, brake assist, CD player, driver door bin, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, front anti-roll bar, front reading lights, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, overhead console, passenger cancelable airbag, passenger door bin.